Okay, guys. So now the next question. Have a look at this. The following is a balance sheet of Sandeep Limited as on 31st of March 2006. Issued and subscribed capital is 10% preference share of rupees 100 each, 4 lakh. Equity shares of rupees 10 each, 10 lakhs. So, guys, if I'm not wrong, my preference shares is 4,000 shares and my equity share is 1 lakh shares. Correct now? Debentures, I am having 7 lakh 50, bank overdraft 50, creditors and bills payable. Goodwill and patents, guys. Goodwill and patents are my intangible assets, and generally they ask us to write off. Correct now? Furniture, plant and machinery, land and building, stock in trade, debtors, bills receivable, profit and loss, and preliminary expenses. They should be compulsorily written off. Should be, but they will tell you. They will give you information in the textbook whether to write it off or no. Profit loss is sure to be written off. The preference dividend is in arrears for 4 years. मतलब 4 साल से अपन ने preference को dividend दिया नहीं है. The following is a scheme of capital reduction which was sanctioned by the court, agreed by the shareholders. The preference shares are to be reduced, not deducted. Deducted होता है, yeah, deducted भी proper word नहीं है. The preference shares are to be reduced to 507 each, and ये 507 नहीं होगा, ये 50 रुपीज़ होगा ना. प्रिंटिंग एरर है वहाँ पे, हटा दो वो. 50 rupees each, and equity share is to be bought to 2 rupees each, both being fully paid up. अच्छी बात है. So preference shares are to be reduced to 50 rupees and preference shares are 10%. So guys, the entry will be so the entry will be 10% preference share capital. Account debit to 10% preference share capital. I am taking 100 rupee ka preference share. I am giving them 50 rupee ka, and the remainder amount will be going to capital reduction account, 2 lakh. Narration will be being, you know about it. इक्विटी शेयर्स के अंदर में सेम हुआ है, तो इक्विटी शेयर कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट and the remaining amount goes to equity share was of 10 lakhs and I'm giving them 2 rupees, so I'm giving them 2 lakh rupees, so I'm keeping with me 8 lakh rupees. Correct है? Do not forget to write the narration in each and every entry, guys. Next one, have a look at this. Of the preference share of the preference dividend in arrears, 3/4 of the amount is to be waived and the remaining is to be paid in cash. So guys, I am paying off the preference dividend. Preference dividend कितना है calculate करते हैं यहाँ पे. Just for your understanding मैं यहाँ पे amount लिख देता हूँ. I'll make the working note नीचे only. So I am giving them the dividend, right? So capital reduction account debit because the profits comes from here now. So capital reduction account debit to cash and bank account. I am having 4 lakh preference share at the rate 10%. I am going to pay them for 4 years and only 1/4 is been paid. Do you understand that? 3/4 is waived. 4 में से 3 पार्ट्स तो वेव कर दिया, तो कितना पार्ट पे किया? 1 पार्ट, तो 1/4 is 1/4 is paid. इज इट 40,000? मतलब 40,000 अपन ने क्या कर दिया मालूम है, 40,000 भाई अपन ने उसको पे कर दिया। आप कैलकुलेट करिए, आपको वही आंसर आएगा। कम ऑन नेक्स्ट। The next one is very interesting. They're telling him that the debenture holders to take over the plant and machinery at 6,50,000 in part satisfaction of their claim, and the remaining claim should be converted into 14% debenture. Guys, मैं आपको हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि अगर आपने 13%, 12%, 11% डिविडेंड डिबेंचर्स देके आपने उसको हायर रेट ऑफ डिविडेंड दिया, दैट इज जस्ट रोल ओवर, और मेरे लैंग्वेज में इसको बोलता हूँ लॉलीपॉप दिया। यहाँ पे भी वही हो रहा है ना गाइस, आई एम हैविंग 12% preference share, 12% debentures of 7,50,000 and I am giving them 6,50,000 ka asset. Now look at the interesting part. I am giving them 7,50,000 में से 6,50,000 का asset. So what is the amount of debenture I'm going to give them of 14%? Well, that will be 1 lakh. तो 7,50,000 में से 6,50,000 का ये दिया तो भाई 1 लाख ही तो बचा। Have a look at the plant and machinery. The plant and machinery is costing 6 lakhs and I am giving to them at 6,50,000. So can I say I'm having a profit of 50,000? 6 lakh का furniture plant and machinery है, I am giving it at 6,50,000. तो बोलता है भाई कितने का है? 6 लाख का। चल मैं तेरे को दे 6,50,000 में। बोला चलो दे दो। So have a look at this. Look at the entry. Look at the entry. I am having 12% debenture. So entry will be 12% debentures 7,50,000 to 14% debenture 6 lakh no 1 lakh. I'm giving them plant and machinery. $6,50,000. But I cannot write 6,50,000 ना, the plant is of 6 lakh, so यहाँ पे मुझे 6 lakhs ही लिखना है. And the balance of 50, that becomes your profit, that is going in my capital reduction account. Do we understand that? Next, goodwill, they have creditors agree to reduce their claim by 20,000 and it is by 20,000 and bills payable are to be paid immediately, guys. So I am getting rid of creditors by 20,000. So creditors account debit 20,000 to capital reduction 20,000. And I'm paying bills payable immediately. The amount of bills payable I'm having in the question is 35,000. Correct? Next. Guys, narration. Do not forget that. Goodwill, patent, profit loss, and preliminary expense have to be written off entirely, guys. So goodwill 25, 15, 8, 20, 45. See, मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ आज? So 40, 45 is 9, 85, 85 and the 905. Guys, narration. And whenever the page ends, you're going to take a total balance carried down, balance brought down in your ledger, and in journal it is carried forward and brought forward. Do we have any other transaction, guys? We do have. The following assets are to be revalued under furniture, stock in trade, land and building, and debtors. ठीक है. Furniture is to be taken as 35 at 25, so 10,000 is a reduction in the amount. Stock in trade 80 है, 68 करना है, so there is a 12,000 reduction. Land and building is 6 lakh 50. It is done as 5 lakh 80. Is it 70? And debtors 90 का 80, तो ये 10 हो गया. Furniture, stock, land and building, debtors. No, it is 12. And the first one is 10. So 32, so 1 lakh 2,000. Capital reduction is debited by 1 lakh 2,000. The last transaction, guys, they are telling me, the last adjustment in fact. A secure loan of 1,50,000 at 12% per annum is to be obtained by mortgaging land and building for repayment of bank overdraft, bills payable, and reconstruction expenses of 15,000. So, guys, bank overdraft is also paid of 50,000, and we have reconstruction expenses of 15,000. 1 5. It's a reconstruction expense, guys. So expense of the capital रिडक्शन में जाएगा. करेक्ट है, दैट्स डन. एंड एक और एंट्री आएगा यहाँ पे वेयर वी आर मेकिंग योर कैपिटल रिडक्शन अकाउंट. वी हैव अ प्रॉफिट, वी हैव अ लॉस. प्रॉफिट हुआ तो एंट्री आएगा कैपिटल रिडक्शन अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैपिटल रिजर्व अकाउंट. अगर लॉस है तो हमारा एंट्री होगा गुडविल अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैपिटल रिडक्शन अकाउंट. करेक्ट है. आई डू नॉट नो दैट व्हाट इज द अमाउंट. आप लोग ट्राई करेंगे, आप मुझे आंसर बताएंगे. ठीक है, दैट्स इट. चलो. अच्छा, आई हैव ऑल्सो टेकन अ लोन ना, सो मुझे लोन तो लेना पड़ेगा ना 1,50,000, तो उसका एंट्री भी करना पड़ेगा. सो द एंट्री विल बी बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट to 12% bank loan. $1,50,000, and then I'll be having that entry. Corrected. That's your homework. आप मुझे कमेंट में बताएंगे कि क्या है इसका आंसर. चलो. एंड देन वी हैव टू ऑल्सो ड्रॉ अ बैलेंस शीट. वो बैलेंस शीट हम लोग नेक्स्ट वीडियो में बना रहे हैं.